Hello and namaste everyone. You're watching Smarty Tech Fizz and I am Anjali with a new video related to the MongoDB. So today we will talk about the configuration of the replica set member of configuring the priority in the replica set members. So what we mean by that, how we will adjust the priority and how it will useful or why we want to do that. So these all things we will discuss in this today's tutorial. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So as I have said, we are going to adjust the priority of replica set member. So what I mean by priority adjustment is, let's say we have a three replica nodes in a replica set and all are having some priority, or maybe while configuring the replica set, there is a chances that you may not have configured the priority in the configuration while configuring the replica set. As in my case, I never used to configure the priority. Any of them can become the primary as per their tendency or as per their voting queues. So I never used to adjust the priority for them. All are with the 0 priority. But in some case, what we used to do is, while configuring the replica set member, we used to provide the priority to the nodes. So what will happen is, any node with the higher priority, let's say we have three nodes, one is with the 0 priority, other one with the 1, and other one third node will be the priority with 2. Then the priority with 2, the member with the priority number is 2 will be having the higher priority and it will become the primary first. If it is available, then there will be the chances, it will become the primary. If it will get down, then the other member which is having the higher priority will get the primary as a selection for it. So this is the use of priority in the replica set member. So why I want to adjust the priority of replica sets? Let's say I have 3 nodes and one node with the higher configuration, let's say having a higher CPU cores or maybe having anything else. I want that primary member should be with the primary that my member should be with the primary configuration, because we have enabled the highest configuration on that. So in that case, I want it to be primary, and then I have to make it a higher priority to it, so that it will be on the primary configuration only. Or another situation is, in my case, what I have to do is I have to run the compact command. If you have already watched my videos, I have already created a video in compact command, and it only runs on the secondary server if you are using the Mongo version older than the 4.4. So in that case, I have to make the primary server to be secondary. I have to do it in a reverse situation, that I want to make the primary that is currently in a primary, I want to change that into the secondary server. In that case, I have to reduce the priority of that server, then only it can become the primary. So in this could be the situation where you want the adjust the priority of the replica set member. So how you will do that? So let's see what I have done in my case and what are the steps I have done to make it to the secondary, or make another node to be a primary server. So you can see that this is my replica set configuration. You can see these are the three node replica set, and this one is this and this. We have 3 nodes, and you can see that the 30.11 will be the higher priority. If you will see, here is priority 2, priority 1 and priority 1. That means this is the higher priority and it will be in the primary mode always if it is enabled. If it is not has been stopped, then it will always be in a primary mode. Now what I wanted is, I want to run the compact command on 30.11. That is why I need to reduce the priority of it. That means I need to make the priority of another higher, I need to make a higher priority to the another node. That is why I have to reconfigure it. So this is on the 30.11. So what is the step here is, if you will check the documentation given by the MongoDB, this is the first step that you have to do is, you have to get the configuration in some variable. So this is what I have done here is config equals to rs.conf. It will take all the configuration that is available here in this variable. So this replica set name is rs5 and we have 3 nodes and all with the different priorities, priority 2, 1 and 1. Yes, more than one server can have the same priority. In that case it will depend on them, then whether would be taken it as a higher priority, that will depends on it. Okay, so this is what I have done is I have taken the configuration into one variable. This is the config. Now next step is, you can see I have to change the priority. So one with the higher priority will be having the higher chances to make it as a primary server. So I want to reduce the priority of 30.11 server. So this is the priority 2. So I will make it as a 1 and will make the 30.72 with the priority equals to 2, so that it will become the primary and it will change to the secondary. So this is what I have done is config.member0. Member0 means ID with the ID 0. The member with the ID 0 should be with the priority 1. So it will change from 2 to 1. And next with the member with the ID 1 should be priority with 1 to 2. It will change to 2. It will become the higher priority. And the ID with 2, that is this one will be having the same priority equals to 1. So this is how I have changed the priority. Now in next, what you have to do is, you can see rs.reconfig, that is we want to reconfigure it and pass the argument as a config. So this is the variable in which we have make the changes. So that is why we have pass the argument to this function, that is the rs.reconfig, and it is OK equals to 1. After OK equals to 1, it will just take some seconds to change itself to the current configuration which we have done. So we have made this server from primary to the secondary. So it will just get down for some moment and then it will get up and will reconfigure it according to the priority available. So you have to make sure that while reconfiguring that, you may assure that you may have some seconds of downtime, or you should be done it in the night, so that or whether you have a less traffic on your website, or you have maintained a good scheduled maintenance time. So you should be careful for that, because it may take some seconds to make it available it according to the reconfiguration which we have done. So this is now primary. So after after the primary, it is now changing itself to the secondary. That means we now 30.11 server has been reconfigured into the lowest priority, and now it will become the primary, from primary to the secondary. So this is how we have changed the priorities and how we have enabled, you can say, how we can enable someone forcefully to become the priority to become the primary server by making it to the higher priority. Or if we want someone some member to be a secondary only, then we can make the priority of it to be its priority should be downgraded. So this is all about today's topic. If you have any doubt, as I have because I have taken the screenshot, so that when I was doing it, my viewers should be knowing about that, how we can configure it. So that is why I have taken the screenshot only. I was not able to do it, record the screen while reconfiguring. So this is how I have done. If you have any doubt, you can comment it below, or you can mail me at smartytechfeeds@gmail.com. I will reply you as soon as possible. And take care. Bye bye. Thank you everyone.